Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Fikri Setiadi. My class 152A11 and my name is 152404888. Today I want to present two material, namely inside the computer and hardware. First, I want to discuss inside the computer. The first part in a computer is definitely the motherboard. Function as a central connection between devices installed on a PC. Furthermore, the chipset function to manage data flow between CPU, memory, and peripheral and affect compatibility and performance. Apart from that, the motherboard also has several slots and each has its own function, including the function of the CPU socket is to provide a mechanical and electrical connection between the CPU and the motherboard, allowing the installation and replication of the CPU without soldering. Slot RAM, or random access memory. This slot is used to install RAM modules that are used to temporarily store data that is being used by the processor. Slot PCI, Peripheral Component Interconnect. This slot is used to install expansion cards such as sound cards and network cards. Slot PCIe, Peripheral Component Interconnect Express. This slot is the latest generation of PC slot that are faster and more modern, often used to install graphic cards. Slot AGP, Accelerated Graphics Port. This slot is specifically used for graphic card, but is now rarely used because it has been replicated by PCI slot. M2 slot. This slot is used to install SSD or solid state drive. In the next slide, I will discuss the CPU or Central Processing Unit. CPU, Central Processing Unit, is the main component of a computer that acts as the brain, or it can be called the brain of the computer. Besides that, the CPU has the main function of taking instruction from memory, performing calculation, and sending result back to memory. For CPU, there are several types, namely microprocessor, microcontrollers, and embedded processor. Microprocessor used in desktop and laptop PC. Microcontroller used in small embedded electronic devices such as robotic, medical system, and automotive. Embedded processor used in devices such as cars, medical equipment, and industrial devices. In the next slide, I will discuss the RAM or Random Access Memory. RAM function as a temporary storage place for active program and data, so that the application loading and execution process becomes faster. RAM capacity is measured in gigabytes. The larger the capacity, the more data can be stored and application can be run simultaneously. The difference between RAM and ROM include: RAM is volatile and can be written and read, while ROM is not volatile and can only be read. In the next slide, I will discuss the power supply. Power supply is a command that supplies or provides electrical power to a computer device. The main function of the power supply is to convert AC voltage to DC, provides the appropriate voltage for various components, regulates power and maintains the stability of the electric current. The power supply can show the maximum power that can be supplied. This is very important for system stability. Next, we will go into the second material, namely regarding hardware. Hardware is all the physical component of a computer system that can be seen, touched, and function to execute command given by software. The first example of hardware that I will discuss is the keyboard. This keyboard has the function as the main input device for entering text, number, and symbol into a computer or laptop. The keyboard also has special buttons such as the function key F1 to F12, namely to perform certain tasks. For example, if we press F1, it will open the help window. And modification. Control Alt Shift to use certain key combination on the keyboard to perform certain action, which usually require the use of a mouse or trackpad. Next, there is the mouse. A mouse is an input device on a computer that is used to control the cursor on the screen and interact with objects on the user interface. The mouse functions as a pointing device, allowing the user to move the cursor on the screen, click select object, double click, open files, and drag and drop move item. Mouse has several types, namely optical mouse, laser mouse, trackball mouse. Optical mouse use light to detect movement. Laser mouse more accurate, works on more surface. Trackball mouse has a ball to move by hand, good for small space. And the last one has a speaker. Computer speakers are audio output devices that connect to computer to produce sound. Computer speaker function to convert electrical signal from the computer into air vibration that can be heard as sound. There are several types of speaker that I know, namely stereo and surround. To connect the speaker to the computer, there are the three ways, namely using a 3.5 mm audio cable, that using USB or Bluetooth. Thanks all for my presentation. Apology if in the presentation there might have been errors in word, or maybe there were words that were not clear. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.